back to this channel, and I am your teacher. I am Sir Franco, and last time I talked about sets, subsets, universal sets, including notations and symbols. This time we'll talk about the relationship among sets and how sets are illustrated using Venn diagram. Now let's start talking about Venn diagram. Let us consider this whiteboard as the universal set U, and from the universal set U we have set A. So from set A we also have another set. We call it set B. And another set also from A is set C. Outside A, we have another set of the universal set U, and we call that set as set D. How do we understand this kind of illustration? We will not write yet the elements so that we can easily understand this diagram. Set A is a set whose elements are found in the universal set. And another set, which is set D, is a set that is also found in the universal set. Set A and set D are disjoint sets because they have no elements in common. Now let's have set A. In set A, we can find inside two sets. Elements of set B are found in set A. Elements in set C are also found in set A. But the elements in B are not found in C. Therefore, we say that set B and set C are disjoint sets. Now let us have an example how to show the relationship of the following sets using Venn diagram. Set U is our universal set under consideration. So we have the set U whose elements are counting numbers from 1 to 15. And from set U we take set A whose elements are counting numbers from 1 to 10. And set B has elements 1, 3, 5, 7. Set C has elements 2, 4, and 6. Set D has elements 11, 12, 13. Now you will notice set A, B, C, and D, all of their elements are found in set U. So we have to illustrate this using Venn diagram. So this is our set U, and we do not yet write all the elements because we have to consider other subsets A, B, C, and D. Now let's take A. So A has elements from 1 to 10, but we do not write it yet because we have B and C common to A. Let's take B first, whose elements are 1, 3, 5, and 7. And set C has elements 2, 4, and 6. Set C, set B. And what are those elements outside A? Those are elements that are found in D. So we have this set D whose elements are 11, 12, and 13. Now what are those elements that are found in A and not found in B and C? We have 8, 9, and 10. So we write all the elements in A, 8, 9, and 10. You write the elements anywhere in A. And then what are those elements that are not found in A, B, C, and D, but found in U? We have 14 and 15. So you write it anywhere in U. That's it. We have completed our elements in the universal set.